problems based on finding the unit digit of a number. Problems based on finding the unit digit of a number. Problems based on finding the unit digit of a number. Problems based on finding the unit digit of a number. Concept. If I take an example 78, 8 is there in units digit. 8 is there in units digit. Are the rightmost digit? The rightmost digit of a number is called the unit digit. Rightmost digit of a number. Rightmost digit of a number is called the units digit. Rightmost digit of a number is called the unit digit. Similar, 127. 7 is called the units digit of a number. Units digit of a number. Units digit, or it is called the rightmost digit of a number. Rightmost digit of a number. Any number, if you take the first digit from the right hand side, that is called the units digit. So the entire question is finding the unit digit of a number. Suppose this example 1, definition. Example 2, unit digit of a number. Unit digit of a number. Unit digit of a number is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 10. Unit digit of a number is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 10. If you divide a number by 10, whatever you get it as the remainder, that is nothing but the unit digit of a number. For example, 78. 78 is nothing. If I want the unit digit of a number, divide this number by 10. 10 sevens are 70. What is the unit digit of a number? Unit digit of a number is nothing but 8. First key point, the unit digit of any number. To get the unit digit of any number, divide the number by 10. Whatever the remainder that you get it, that itself is the unit digit of a number. Unit digit of a number is nothing but the remainder when you divide a number by 10. When you divide a number by 10, whatever the remainder that you get it, that itself is the unit digit of a number. Second key point. Second key point. Now, third key point. Please write down. Third key point. Second key point. I hope it is clear. Third key point. Third key point. Cyclicity. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. Cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. First write down this key point, then I will explain this key point. Any number cyclicity is 4. What do you mean by cyclicity? Unit digit will repeat, will definitely repeat after every 4 steps. Unit digit will definitely repeat after every 4 steps. Less than 4 steps, sometimes it may repeat, sometimes it may not repeat. But after 4 steps, it will definitely repeat. Example. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16, 6. These are all the unit digit of a number. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 power 6 is 64. 2 power 7 128. 2 power 8 256. 2 power 9 512. 2 power 10 1024. 2 power 11 2048. 2 power 12. It will also give you 6. Now if you observe here, what is the unit digit of 2 power 1? Unit digit of 2 power 1 is 2. Unit digit of 2 power 5 is also 2. After 4 steps it got repeated. After 4 steps unit digit got repeated. After 4 steps unit digit got repeated. After 4 steps unit digit got repeated. Unit digit got repeated. So what we'll write is, let a could be the unit digit of a number. Whatever a power 1 is there, after 4 steps it will get repeated. It will get repeated. A square is there. After 4 steps it will get repeated. A power 3 is there. After 4 steps it will get repeated. After 4 steps it will get repeated. So I took it for 2. Sir, can I generalize it for any number? Yes, you can generalize it for any number, which I will discuss it in the next slide. If A is the unit digit of a number, if A is the unit digit of a number, a power 1 after 4 steps, it could be 4, it could be 8, it could be 12, it could be 16, it could be any multiple of 4. A power 1 after 4 steps it will get repeated. A square after 4 steps it will get repeated. A cube after 4 steps it will get repeated. A power 4k after every 4 steps it will get repeated. What is A here? A is nothing but the unit digit of a number. A is nothing but the unit digit of a number. A power 1 after 4 steps it will get repeated. A square after 4 steps it will get repeated. A cube after 4 steps it will get repeated. A power 4k, it is A power 4. A power 4. I hope it is clear. Now, when I say the cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4, after 4 steps, the unit digit should again be the same. Less than 4 steps, sometimes yes, sometimes no. But after 4 steps, definitely it should get repeated. Definitely it should get repeated. If you take an example, take an example. I hope it is clear. A power 1, it is after 4 steps it will be repeated. A square after 4 steps it will be repeated. A cube after 4 steps it will be repeated. A power 4k after 4 steps it should be repeated. Now, example. We took it for 2. Let us take it for 3. 3 power 1, 3. 3 power 1, 3. 3 square, 9. 3 cube, 27. 3 power 4, 81. 3 power 5, 243. 3 power 6, 729. 3 power 7, 3 power 6 into 3 power 1. 9 3s are 27. 3 power 8, 3 power 7 into 3 power 1, 8. Now if you see here, after 4 steps, after 4 steps, after 4 steps, the unit digit is repeating. After 4 steps, the unit digit is repeating. Now let us take 4 power 1, 4. 4 square, which is 16. 4 cube, which is 64. 4 power 4, which is 4 cube into 4 power 1, which is 6. That means for 4, it is getting repeated after 2 steps. 9 power 1, it is 9. 9 square, it is 81. 9 cube, 9 square into 9 power 1. 9 power 4, it is 1. That means for 4 and 9, if you observe, for 4 and 9, cyclicity of the unit digit of a number, cyclicity of the unit digit of a number, it is 2. Here we are getting 2. Here we are getting 4. Cyclicity of the unit digit of a number. Here we are getting 4. Here we are getting 4. Sir, then how did you generalize it as 2 here? Here we are getting 4. Here we are getting 2. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. Here the cyclicity is getting repeated after 1. Then why did we generalize it to 4? Generally, for all the unit digits from 1 to 9, there are 3 cyclicities I will get. One is 1, another is 2, another is 4. So I took the LCM of all the cyclicities. LCM of 1 to 4 is 4. LCM of 1 to 4 is 4. That is exactly the reason why I said that statement. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. You might get 2, you might get 1, you might get 4. All the possible cyclicities, if you write it in a paper and take the cyclicities and do LCM, that will be 4. LCM of all the possible cyclicity of a number is 4. So that's exactly the reason why I took it as 4. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. Generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. What does that mean? That means after 4 steps, definitely it will get repeated. Less than 4 steps, sometimes it could be 1, sometimes it could be 2, right? Sometimes it could be 4 also. So generic cyclicity of the unit digit of any number is 4. For some numbers you are getting 2, for some numbers you are getting 4, for some numbers you are getting 1. 1 comma 2 comma 4. The generic cyclicity is nothing but 4. I hope it is clear. Now we will write one important key point. Please write down. These key points, please write down. General cyclicity of a number for 4 comma 9 is 2. For 3 I got it as 4. For 5 I got it as 1. For 4 comma 9 I got 2. For 5 I got 1. For 3 I got 4. Generic cyclicity of 1, 2 and 4 is 4. Please write down the next key point. So what is that we discussed? If A is the unit digit of a number, A power 1, after 4 steps, it will be A square. After 4 steps, it will be A square. A power 3, after 4 steps, it will be A power 3. A power 4k, this is nothing but A power 4. Please write down this. What is A? A is the unit digit of a number. A is the unit digit of a number. A is the unit digit of a number. Examples. First one, if the unit digit of A cube is 7, what is the unit digit of A power 51? If the unit digit of A cube is 7, what is the unit digit of A power 51? A power 51. A power 51 is nothing but divided by 4. 4 into 12, 48 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. I will get A power 3. A power 3 unit digit is 7. I hope the first example is clear. If the unit digit of A cube is 7, find the unit digit of A power 51. 51 is nothing but 4 into 12 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. What is the unit digit? A power 3. Second example on the same pattern. If the unit digit of A square is 4, find the unit digit for A power 162. Find the unit digit for A power 162. A power 162. Check what is the remainder when you divide a power by 4. 4 4s are 160. plus 2, a power 4k plus 2. A power 4k plus 2 unit digit is a square. So answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. I hope first example is clear and second example is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if these two examples are clear. Then we will do some foundation problems based on the unit digit of a number. I hope it is clear. A power 1 after 4 steps the unit digit will be same. A square after 4 steps the unit digit will be same. A power 3 after 4 steps the unit digit will be same. A power 4k the unit digit will be same, that is a power 4. What is A? A is the unit digit of a number. A is the unit digit of a number. A is the unit digit of a number. Write down third example. Write down third example. Third example. X power 7 minus x power 3 equivalent to 1232. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? X power 3 minus x power 7 minus x power 3 is 1232. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? Listen carefully. How many values x will take? X power 7 is nothing but x power 4 into 1 plus 3. So the unit digit of x power 7 is nothing but unit digit of x cube. Unit digit of x cube. X power 7, x power 3. X power 7 is nothing but x cube. That means, for example, if I take the unit digits, x power 7, x power 3, right? If I take it as 1 cube is 1, 1 power 7 is also 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Right hand side unit digit is 0. If this is 2 cube is 8, 2 power 7 is 128, 8 minus 8 is 0. If I take 3, this is 7, this is also 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. Because x cube unit digit is x cube, x power 7 unit digit is x cube, everywhere right hand side will be 0. But according to the question, right hand side unit digit is 2. Answer is no value of x exists. No value of x exists. Why no value of x exists? Why? Because 7 is nothing but 4 into 1 plus 3. So a power 4k plus 3, unit digit is nothing but a power 3. A power 4k plus 3, unit digit is nothing but a power 3. I hope it is clear. 7 and 3. What is the difference in the powers? 7 and 3. Difference is 4. 4 is nothing but a multiple of 4. So the unit digit will always be same. If the unit digits of x cube and x power 7 both are same, then right hand side it will be 0. X cube and x power 7, the unit digits are same, so the right hand side will always be 0. I hope it is clear. Very good algebra question which can be solved by using unit digit. Fourth question. Please write down fourth one. Idea clear, right? Fourth question. Fourth one. X power 51 minus x power 3, it is nothing but 7837. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? X power 51 minus x power 3 is 7837. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? Method 1. Method 1. X power 51. Praveen, marker judava. X power 51. 51 is nothing but 4 into 12 plus 3. 4 into 12 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. The unit digit is nothing but equivalent to a power 3. unit digit is nothing to a power 3. So x power 51 unit digit is nothing but x cube. If this is x cube and this is minus x cube, right hand side unit digit will be 0. Right hand side unit digit will be 0. Right hand side unit digit will be 0. Right? But what is the right hand side? It will be 7. So answer is no value for x exists. Answer is no value for x exists. I hope it is clear. No value x can take. No value for x exists. What is the just ideal question? 51 and 3. 51 minus 3, which is 48. 48 is nothing but a multiple of 4. If the difference in the powers, if the difference in the powers is a multiple of 4, if the difference in the powers is a multiple of 4, answer right hand side will be 0. Answer right hand side will be 0. Please write down. If the difference in the powers, if it is a multiple of 4, right hand side will always give you unit digit 0. Right hand side will always give you unit digit 0. Right? I hope it is clear, right? For me, difference in the powers, if it is a multiple of 4, right hand side answer will always be 0. Idea clear? Right? So you can do any question. Suppose for example, another question. Let me do it in a different slide. I hope this idea is clear. I will tell you a method too also of solving this question. But once we understand the idea behind this question, then it will be very easy. 51. Idea clear? Next one. Please write down. Let us try to develop a question. Let us try to develop a question to understand this one. X power 1224 minus x power 4 equivalent to 782. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? X power 1224 minus x power 4 is 782. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? 124 minus 4, 1220. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. Right hand side unit digit. Right hand side unit digit has to be 0. But it is not 0. No value of x exists. Praveen, camera. No value of x exists. No value of x exists. I hope it is clear. Then we will write one more question. Sixth one. X power 51 minus x power 3 equivalent to 1239. X is a natural number. How many values x will take? How many values x will take? X power 5 minus x power 3 equivalent to 1239. Method 2. X power 51 minus x power 3 is 1239. How many values x will take? How many values x will take? See here. If x is an odd number, odd number power any number is an odd number. Odd number power any number is an odd number. What is odd minus odd? Even number. If x is an even number power any number, it is an even number. Even number power any number, it is an even number. Right hand side should be an even number, but the right hand side is an odd number. So answer for this question is no value for x exists. No value for x exists. Please write down this. No value for x exists. You can also look at this question from a number tree point of view. If x is an odd number, odd power any number, it is an odd number. Odd minus odd, it is an even number. Even power any number, it is an even number. Even power 3 is an even number. Even minus even, it is an even number. Right hand side should be an even number, but according to the question, no value of x exists. Right? Let me handle a doubt. Karthik sir, what will happen if we consider 2 power 0, 3 power 0, 4 power 0? Generally, they will be there in the form a power 4k, so k equivalent to 0. Yes, you are right. Yes, you are right. A power 4k, so a power 4k is nothing but k is a natural number there, Karthik. K is a natural number. You took k as a whole number. A power 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3. Now see here. This is a power 4k, a power 4k plus 1, a power 4k plus 2 and a power 4k plus 3. Here I took k is greater than or equivalent to 1, Karthik. K is greater than or equivalent to 1, I took it. So, I took it as 1, 2, 3, 4. You started with k power 0. I hope the idea is clear. Write sixth question. Next one. Please write down few questions. Find the unit digit of a number. Find the unit digit of a number. Find the unit digit for the following. First, we will take an easy question. Find the unit digit for the following. Find the unit digit for the following. 10 questions will solve. First question, 2 power 51. 2 power 51. If any number is of the form, try to take the power in the form of 2 power 4 into 12 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3, it is a cube. 2 cube is 8. We will write down here all the important key points. A power 4k plus 1, it is a. A power 4k plus 2, it is a square. A power 4k plus 3, it is a cube. A power 4k, which is a power 4. This is the concept. So 2 power 51 is 2 power 4 into 12 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. Answer is a cube, which is 8. 3 power 713. 3 power 713. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. It is equivalent to 3 power 13. 13 is 4 into 3 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1. The answer is A. Answer is nothing but 13. Answer is nothing but 13. 8 power 2839. 8 power 2839. What is the unit digit of a number? Unit digit general cyclicity is 4. So this is equivalent to 8 power 39. 39 is 4 into 9 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. It is a power 3. 8 cube is 512. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. Right? Answer for this question is 2. Fourth question. 7 power 2008. Right? 7 power 2008. Last 2 digits is 8. 7 power 4 into 2. A power 4k is a power 4. 7 power 4 is 1. So always consider the generic cyclicity of a number. Why? Because when you are doing power to power, it will be useful. Pallavi has asked why we are considering generic cyclicity when we have two different cyclicities like in the case of 495. Right? Now, we are taking the generic cyclicity, which is the LCM of all the cyclicities, for a reason. That reason I will discuss after 5 minutes of a time. Pallavi, I will again get back to that doubt. Now, the context will arise after 5 minutes. I hope it is clear. 2 power, 3 power, 8 power and 7 power. 7 power 4 into 2. A power 4k is a power 4. These 1, these 2, these 3 and it is 4. I hope it is clear. Next one. E, question number E. These are all single digits. These are all single digits. Now let us increase the level. 32 power 322. 284 power 287. 379 power 934. 835 power 122. 19342 power 19342. Find the unit digit of a number. Find the unit digit of a number. Unit digit means the focus is only on the unit digit of a number. Only the focus is on this. Only the focus is on the unit digit of a number. Because the divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 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 So only take the last 2 digits of a number. 2 power 22. 22 is 4 into 5 plus 2. A power 4k plus 2, which is a square. Answer is 4. 4 power 81. 4 into 21 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. It is a cube. Again the answer is 4. 9 power 34. Right? So it is 9 power 4 into 8 plus 2. A square 9 square is 81. 5 power any natural number, it will give you 5. 5 power any natural number, it will give you 5. 2 power 42, so it is nothing but 4 into 10 plus 2. So a power 4k plus 2, 2 square is 4. Another 5 problems, even though the number of digits are more, because we want the unit digit of a number, the cyclist unit digit of a number is right, the rightmost digit. So focus more on the unit digit of a number. I hope these 5 problems are clear. Please write down, then I will increase the level of difficulty. Praveen, then I will increase the level of difficulty. When you are doing power to the power, when you are doing power to the power, then you will realize, right, why the generic cyclicity of a number is 4. Why the generic cyclicity of a number is 4. You will see to it. Right? I hope it is clear. Kindly reply. Slowly, concept by concept, I will increase the different. Right? Sir, if the difference is a multiple of 4 and the powers are different, is this case possible? That also we will discuss, Priya, right? Because we are discussing the unit digit. We are discussing the unit digit of the same number. I took x power 7 minus x power 3. I took the unit digit of a number. Now, I will take some questions. Advanced level questions we will discuss. Right? Let me frame some questions based on Priya's doubt. E, F, G, H, I, another variety, please write down. J, if the unit digit of 2 power p is 6, what is the unit digit of 3 power p? If the unit digit of 2 power p is 6, what is the unit digit of 3 power p? 2 power p unit digit. 2 power p unit digit is 6. If 2 power p unit digit is 6, that means p is nothing but any multiple of 4. Because a power 4k, right? A power 4k is a power 4. So this will be p is nothing but 4 power k. 3 power 4k unit digit is 1. 3 power 4k unit digit is 1. 3 power 4k unit digit is 1. I hope it is clear. 2 power p, it is 6. What is the unit digit of 3 power p? To get 6, p should be a multiple of 4. P should be a multiple of 4. So p is of the form 4k. 3 power 4k is any 3 power 4 power k, 1 power k, it is 1. Second example, hij. Next one, k. Please write down. If the unit digit of 7 power x is 9, what is the unit digit of 8 power x? What is the unit digit of 8 power x? Same idea. Unit digit of 7 power x is 9. What is the unit digit of 8 power x? 7 power x, unit digit is 9. 7 power x, unit digit is 9. The lowest value is x value, it is 2. Every time there will be an increase of 4 steps, 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on. So x is nothing but 4k plus 2. X form will be 4k plus 2. So this is nothing but 8 power 4k plus 2, which is 8 square. 8 square is nothing but 64. 8 square is nothing but 64. I hope this idea is also clear. Unit digit of 7 power x is 9. To get 9, x should be 2 or steps of 4, which is 2 plus 4k. If it is 2 plus 4k, 8 power 4k plus 2. So 8 square, the unit digit will be 4. Next, L. 22 power 222 plus 33 power 333 plus 77 power 777 plus 77 power 777. What is the unit digit of this number? Now we are adding it, adding all the powers. 22 power 222. The unit digit cyclicity is always 4. So these are nothing but 2 power 4 into 5 plus 2. These 3 power 4 into 8 plus 1. This is 7 power 4 into 19 plus 1. A power 4k plus 2. This is 4. A power 4k plus 1, it is 3. A power 4k plus 1, it is 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. The unit digit of this question is 4. Simply find out the unit digit of every number and add it. 2 power 22, it is 4 into 5 plus 2. A power 4k plus 2, it is a square. 3 power 4k plus 1, 3. 7 power 4k plus 1, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Unit digit is 4. M. 13 power 197 into 77 power 241 into 86 power 232 into 12 power 121. 13 power 197, 77 power 241, 86 power 232 and 12 power 121 and 12 power 121. What is the answer for this question? 3 power 97, 3 power 4 into 24 plus 1, which is 3. These are nothing but last 2 digits only. 4 into 10 plus 1. Again it is 7. 6 power any natural number, it is 6. 2 power 4 into 5 plus 1, which is 2. So answer for this question is 3 into 7 into 6 into 2. Please write down. 3 into 7 into 6 into 2. I hope it is clear. 3 into 7 into 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 14 3s are 42. So the unit digit of this number is 2. The unit digit of this number is 2. Unit digit of this number is 2. I hope it is clear. Please write down something in the bracket. Something in the bracket. 6 power any natural number is 6. Please write down that key point. 6 power any natural number is 6. I will write down here. 6 power any natural number, unit digit is 6. 6 power any natural number, unit digit is 6. 6 power any natural number, unit digit is 6. I hope K, L and M. I hope it is clear. write n. These where most of the students will do a mistake. Find the unit digit for. Find the unit digit for. First question. 77777 power 33333 minus 333333 power 77777. Unit digit for 77777 power 3333 minus 33333 power 7777. First thing what students will do mistake is, this is 7, this is 33. 7 power 33 minus, this is 3, this is 77, this 4 into 8 plus 1, this 4 into 19 plus 1. So directly they will write it as 7 minus 3 as 4. 7 minus 3 as 4. There is a mistake here. Please don't do like this. Directly what you are doing is 7 power 33, which is 7 power 4 into 8 plus 1. 3 power 77, which is 4 into 19 plus 1. A power 4k plus 1, it is 7. This is 3. 7 minus 3, 4. This is the mistake which you are committing. This is the mistake which you are committing. Approach. Please write down. Approach. How to solve this question? In hurry, don't take it as 4. A power b is greater than b power a when a is less than b and a comma b greater than 3. Please write down. A power b greater than b power a. A power b greater than b power a when a is less than b and a comma b are both greater than 3. Extremely important point. Very, very important point. A power b is greater than b power a when a is less than b and a comma b greater than 3. When a and b are greater than 3, a power b is greater than b power a. So out of these two numbers, second number is greater than the first number. 33333 power 777 is greater than the first number 777 power 3333. I hope it is clear. Second number is greater than. Second number is greater than first number. Second number is greater than first number. Second number is greater than the first number. Idea, the mistake what you did in the question is, you assumed that second one is smaller than the first number, but actually second one is larger than the first number. Second one is larger than the first number. I hope it is clear. Now write down the solution. Now write down the solution. A power b greater than b power a when a is less than b and a comma b greater than 3 and a comma b greater than 3. Then what is the answer for this question? Write down the solution. Praveen, 77777 power 33333 minus 33333 power 77777. This is nothing but, this is the smallest number, this is the largest number. Smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. So 3333 power 777 minus 77777 power 3333. I hope it is clear till here. Till here, the smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. Smallest number should be subtracted from the largest number. So this is nothing but, right? This is 3. The number before is A. If this is 7, the number before is B. 3 will not go carry in 1. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Why? Because second one is greater than the first one. How did I find out, Arun? Because of this property. A power b is greater than b power a when A is less than B and A comma B both are greater than 3. Both are greater than 3. Based upon this property alone, I found out A power B is greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. I hope it is clear. So don't take it as 6. Now this is nothing but 3 power 77. 3 power 77, right? 3 power 77 is A3. 7 power 33 is 7. Take 1 carried. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Right? 13 minus 7 is 6. So answer for this question is 6. I hope this example is clear. One more example I will do. Then we will discuss the doubts in case if it is there, right? I hope it is clear. A power B greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. Now another doubt. 52. A power B, please write down. A power B greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. So based upon this one, suppose for example 521 power 378, 378 power 521. So what is the relationship between this one? A power B is greater than, here 378 is less than 521. 378 is less than 521. 378 power 521 is greater than 521 power 378 according to this concept. I hope it is clear. Extremely important concept. A power B is greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3, right? And A comma 3, right? Chauhan Mahesh. The number is 777 power 3333, 33333 power 77777. I said this is A, this is B. Why are you taking the unit digit of A, right? A is not the unit digit here. A is the number. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. I am not taking the unit digit of a number. That is the mistake that we did it. Cherry says in the previous problem 6 power 32, it is of the form 6 A power 4k. Why we take directly as answer 4? I did not take answer as 4. I said Cherry 6 power any natural number, it is 6. I wrote it as 6 in the previous question. I wrote it as 6. I never took 4. I took 6. 6 power natural number, any natural number, it is 6. 6 power any natural number, it is 6. 6 power 32, 6 power any natural number is 6. A power B greater than B power A when A is less than B and A comma B greater than 3. Chauhan Manish, I hope the idea is clear. Idea is to find out this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. I hope it is clear.